In this video, we'll show you how to program your remote with your vehicle. This video was made specifically for the vehicles shown in the description. Even though your remote and vehicle may look different, the steps you follow are exactly the same. Remember, you must have at least one existing working remote to begin. Don't forget to read the video description for more important information, including step-by-step written instructions. Instructions for models with no automatic seatbelts and only models with leather seats and a sunroof. A total of 4 remotes can be programmed to function on the same vehicle. To begin the pairing process, open the trunk, close and lock all doors. Insert and remove the key from the ignition 6 times within 10 seconds. Manually unlock and lock the driver's door once. Push lock button on the new key remote once within 5 seconds of completing step 4. If additional remotes are needed, repeat steps 4 and 5 for each additional remote immediately after programming the first remote. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe, then hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you need replacement keys for your vehicle, be sure to check us out online.